Hey, it's Danielle, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm scaling out again in RGTI. So if you go ahead and look at the options chain here, what you'll see is that these calls are up over 215%. Today, this ticker's up 1.45%, which, it's a good move, but it's not up another 10, 15, 20%. So yesterday, we had a pretty extreme move where it was up 30% on big news. It was also up on big volume. You can see the volume yesterday compared to the volume today. So, generally with a short squeeze, what you want is a day after a 30% up move is you want it to go up again, another 10, 15%, because that's when the short sellers are getting squeezed out. Today, with it up a little bit, I mean, it's good, but it's not exploding, right? So, what I want to do is I want to just go ahead and take my profits from this initial move, and I'm going to leave on the new calls that I put on yesterday because I do still think that this thing is going to continue going. I just want to make sure that I take money off the table, especially with Netflix earnings today. So, if you look at the weekly chart pattern, you can see that there's a great weekly squeeze. Ultimately, I still think that it's going to break out above 20 and make it to 25. But I just want to make sure that I'm scaling out as I go. I want to make sure that I'm, taking some off the table, especially because, well, with Netflix earnings up today after the bell, you just never really know. As you start getting into Magnificent Seven earnings, things can get pretty crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these two off. So I'm gonna see if I can get filled. Market's about to close here. So, oh, well, there we go. All right. And I'm filled. So if you want to come trade with us, come join Mastering the Trade Room, and I'll see you in the next video.